5 financial habits you should drop immediately. If you want to stay financially healthy, it's time to break free from these common mistakes. Let's dive in. 1. Investing in stocks without research. Buying individual stocks without proper analysis is risky. Unless you have deep market knowledge and time to research, avoid direct stock investing. For most retail investors, mutual funds are a smarter choice. They reduce risk compared to picking stocks yourself. Yet many ignore this advice, chasing the thrill of trading. 2. Over-diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is good, but too much of it can backfire. Stocks. A portfolio of 15 to 20 stocks across sectors is enough. Adding more doesn't reduce market risk. Mutual funds. Owning multiple funds from the same category, for example large cap, is pointless since their holdings overlap. Ideal mix. 40% in 1 to 2 large cap funds, 30% in 1 to 2 multi-cap funds, 20% in 1 to 2 mid-cap funds, 10% in a small cap fund. Balance is key. 3. Ignoring emergency savings. Life is unpredictable. Without an emergency fund, you risk falling into debt traps, especially with easy credit options like cards and wallets. Build a safety net before splurging. 4. Buying insurance just for tax benefits. Many buy insurance for tax breaks, not protection. Traditional plans promise guaranteed returns, but often yield only about 5%. ULIPs offer slightly better returns, but lack flexibility and transparency. Better approach. Buy term insurance for coverage. For seniors, consider Senior Citizen Savings Scheme for steady income and tax benefits. Don't let marketing jargon drive your decisions. Focus on actual returns and coverage. 5. Ignoring outstanding debt. Unpaid credit card bills and missed alerts can lead to fraud or mounting interest. RBI mandates SMS alerts. Don't ignore them. Report unauthorized transactions within 3 days to avoid liability. Stay vigilant. If you find our content valuable, we kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest videos.